Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. This is Umar with you. Hope you are all doing great. And market were kind enough, right? It was moving on the sideways direction, right? That's what we were telling for last few days, and I don't want to tell it again. No matter what happens, markets are likely to go on the higher side. That is what is going to happen. And there is a good news also in terms of market. There is a good news, and the good news is that 10-year bond yields are coming on the downside. So if you see here, treasury yield, so 10-year bond yield, if you see, has significantly come down. It has come down from around 4.85 levels to around 4.59 levels. That is really good news. And if we see more downside on the downside, if 10-year bond yields further come on the downside, we might see a good market, or we might see market touching towards, maybe Nifty might touch 20,000, or some other Banknifty might touch 46,000, and so on and so forth. Anyway, I am expecting Banknifty and Nifty, or even Sensex, or even Nifty to touch new highs. I am not going to say that it is going to touch lifetime high. We are just maybe 200 points from 20,000, and I am sure, mark my words, 20,000 market will retrace. Now let me note here this level around 20k. This is 20,000 level. 20k will retrace. 20k Nifty will hit 20,000 and it will come back. We don't know when it is going to happen. Maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, or even going forward. We really don't know when it is going to hit. But I am sure, damn sure, that 20,000 will hit later or sooner, right? So that is about the market. We are seeing doji pattern, then we are seeing big green candle, then gap up, and maybe tomorrow also we are going to see a gap up. And in terms of US market, if you see the US futures, all US future, including Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq, everything is in the green, right? So all the indices, all three indices, major indices, which is Dow Jones is up by 0.25%, S&P is flat, and Nasdaq is also up by 0.25%. So that's a good news. And in terms of European market is also in the green, apart from France, right? So that's really good news. And everyone has forgot Israel Hamas issue. Nobody is going to talk, and down the line, maybe 2 or 3 days, nobody is even going to talk about Israel Hamas issue. That's going to be a history, right? So we'll see how things pan out. And in terms of our trade, we made a profit of around 10,754, and today was a really tough day. 10,740, and with that we are at around 5.48 or 5.45%. so we'll see how things pan out. We are having around maybe 11 to 12 trading session in this month. We will see how things work out, but my perspective about the market is around 19,800 will touch. And today, and if you talk about Banknifty, today was only one thing happened today. I will tell you what happened today. Only thing was 44,500. Whether bears are winning 44,500 or bulls are winning 44,500 was the day today. So there were lots of fight between bulls and bear at around 44,500. And let me tell you, I had huge amount of 44,500 call option written on today's expiry. And let me take you to the open interest, and you can see the open interest of this Banknifty, and you will not believe how much open interest was written at 44,500. To be precise, let me give you a perspective. Around 24 million open interest was pending at which level? Around 44,000 level. Let me log in. One second. Yeah, I will show you the correct details of this thing. What is that? 44,500. Then you will understand what is happening. This is why Pulse. We use this extensively for trading our expiry days. And if you see the OI statics, and if you see the Banknifty 44,000, look at the way these people are writing 44,000. This is 45,000, and let me take you to 44,500. At one point of the time, this alone had around 24 million, right? Around 24 million. And you know what happened? At around 3 p.m., this 3 p.m., let me change this to a 5 minutes chart. And if you see at 3 p.m. Banknifty, this is Banknifty, right? At around 3 p.m. After 3 p.m. it started moving around above 44,500, in spite of having how much? 24 million open contract OI outstanding in Banknifty, right? So this is the way market. You cannot rely on these things of these kind of data. Even though this is expiry day trade, and let me show you the open interest of, let me show the OI chart. Yeah, let me show the OI chart. I'll go to Banknifty and today's expiry, and yeah, and if you see the open interest of 44,000, I told you, right, around 25 million, right? See here, at one point of the time it was around 25 million, and people were keep on writing call option. They were writing huge call option till 3:30. Then suddenly we saw a fall. When the market went above, it closed above 44,500. That is a good news in terms of market, because Nifty wanted to, Banknifty, whether it is Nifty or Banknifty, it really does want to move on the higher side, and it is good that bears were able to close above 44,500, which is very, very crucial, right? Nifty we don't have any problem, Banknifty also we don't have problem. And let me go to the chart, and Banknifty I can tell you, let me change this to a daily time frame, and we are likely to touch maybe around 45,000 or even more than 45,500 levels in Banknifty in coming days. And Nifty, you know, maybe 20k we will touch sooner or later is what we expect in terms of Nifty. And Banknifty is also on the same path. And Sensex, if you are not trading Sensex, you have to try trading Sensex also. Sensex and BankX is also having some good volumes. And in terms of Sensex also, maybe we will touch 67,000 in the coming days. Now FII data is a lagging data, or open interest is not a lagging data, but it will be very useful in when you trade expiry day trades, right? And in terms of expiry day trades, we have a webinar on 15th of October 2023, which is Sunday at 10 a.m. It is just 200 rupees. You can register, for which the link is on the description below, or you can go to our website and you can click, you can see the menu. There is upcoming webinars, and if you click, you can find the webinar and you can see all the things what you are going to get in the webinar. It is just 200 rupees. So if you want, you can join the webinar. As I told you, I will leave the link on the description below, right? Apart from that, we'll check the US futures again. I'm sure market will go on the higher side, but I don't think it is going to go. Nifty is going to go above 20,000. That is what I believe strongly, right? So we'll see how things pan out. Don't short this market, try to go long in this market, sell some put option, sell some maybe far away put option. Of course, you have to do it at your own risk and responsibility. If you lose, Umar is not going to come and save you, right? So sell lots of sell considerable decent amount of put option, so that you can make money in the market. And if, as I told you, bond yields come down, if the bond yields are coming down, that is really a positive news. Let me show the bond yield. This is the bond yield, and it has come down drastically. Let us say hypothetically, if it comes to these levels, market will further rally, right? And we have very important data in terms of US market, which is the US Federal Reserve might come out with an interest rate hike. Till then, we will, if US 10-year bond yields comes on the downside, it is going to be very good for us, and we will see India VIX is also falling, right? Let me take you to the India VIX part, and India VIX is one. The other thing also, if you trade in expiry trade, India VIX has fallen around 2.48%. Look at the way it is trading. Day before yesterday it went, not day before yesterday, 2 or 3 days back it went till 13 and it settled today at around 11. So that's relative very low VIX, and in spite of low VIX, the problem is we are seeing two-way, three-way move in Nifty, Banknifty or Sensex or mid-cap Nifty whatsoever, right? So we'll see how things pan out. I hope I have summarized. So be long in the market, try to be long in the market. Nifty is not going to come below 19,475, and Bank Nifty, let me change the chart. Bank Nifty is not going to come below 44,000. That is a very strong resistance. So you can sell some put option below 44,000, and in terms of Nifty 19,700, 600, you can sell some put option, right? And that is a strong disclaimer. You'll have to do it at your own risk and responsibility, right? I hope I have summarized everything. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Till then, take care. Bye.